How to recover your Monopoly Go account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you won't be able to recover your account if you have played on guest version of Monopoly Go. But if you have connected your Monopoly Go with any of the social accounts like Facebook or the Apple or the Google, then you would be able to recover it. For this, just simply open up your account, then click on the three lines at the top. After that, click on the settings. And here you get this particular option of manage account. Simply click on it. Now just simply reconnect your account with any of the social that you used before, and after connecting you would be able to see all the progress of yours in this particular account. In case if you are not able to recover it, then simply click on this option of customer service, then search for recover, and you would get this particular option of I lost my game progress. Simply click on it. And here you can see different ways to connect or recover your account. If you find this not that helpful, simply click on no and click on this option of chat with us in order to chat with the support of Monopoly Go and just explain them your situation, and after that they will help you out in recovering your account. And these are some ways that you can utilize in order to recover your account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.